Stephen Flo, and we are in the Apple Valley in Outback. As we see here, our first creature of the night.
The gnome. Gnomes are very docile creatures. However, every full moon, they come alive and they attempt to guard their garden.
As you see, it's full moon, so we will prepare.
At about midnight, this happens. Or when people aren't around, whichever comes first.
That's why children, we must be asleep. Or the gnome.
Over here, we have Brutius.
Brutus Dirtbagus. If ran around, he will bite. He is docile up until a point.
As you can see here, he attempted to bite my ankle. I wasn't even doing anything.
Just don't.
We follow our host further into the outback where we meet the Indian.
There's something in the tree. Oh. What is it? Oh. Whatever it is, it sounds angry. Stay back.
Oh no.
Hold on. I must go this way.
I don't know if the mic is picking it up, but he's angry.
Hopefully it doesn't start as you see, the Brutus is very mad. It is hopefully it stays in the tree and doesn't throw pine cones at
If you see very subtly, you can see a shadow moving.
Oh, it's angry. It is very. If it keeps shaking the tree, it may drop some pine cones.
We may need a weapon.
I don't know. Let's go in. Oh. Oh, it's coming down.
Our host has a pitchfork.
Oh, let's see.
Brutus.
The Brutus's Dirtbagus is angry or maybe very curious.
It appears the branches broke from somewhere. The Indian is attacking!
It's angry! Move it!
We have to make sure the Indian is not following us. We move inside the docile of the man known as Michael. Many trinkets thrown about. You cannot see any of them because our host will not put the fucking light up. There he is.
We have a very rare. It is asleep and docile, and its natural habitat. And you see, it fell asleep watching probably Netflix drama shows. As we see, it is a very.
He woke up.
We angered the beast.
Dude. 3%. I cannot see through the window with my camera. Oh, the Indian.
I will have a duel.
We are now watching our host attempt to duel the Indian. Hopefully you can see this, because the camera is crap. Steven is picking up a weapon, a rock. The Indian has spoke English.
Yo, vato, what are you doing? In my tree?